was a GP user for about 13 years, and then I successfully crossed over to the other side of the Microsoft world into Business Central. And I want to let you all know that come on in, the water's fine. And one thing that you'll gain by being on Business Central is that you're always on the latest version. As a user, sometimes our IT department kind of took a while to put in the updates, and so the new functionality would be a year old before we got it. But with Business Central, you can have it, twice a year we get our updates, and you get all kinds of great new functionality. You'll love the reporting. No more dumping things to Excel to get subtotals. You have ledger entry pages that will give you all that detail and let you subtotal in that space, which is awesome. I always had to do that. And then for those of us that work remotely, you can do work anywhere. I can, work from San Antonio here at Summit, and we've got other people around that I think customers that I've talked to are actually doing some work in the evenings here. So that's another great feature with Business Central. Come on over.